guys, we are way go back the road that we are heading to go back. There's a little bridge here. Earlier. Another one. We're here. We're taking this road. The one is a glamping. Vlogs, amigas and amigas. This Filipinavlogs. This is coffee shop place. Ika ni Don Kiko, and it's quite nice on this place. Quite nice there. At the same time, I'm not sure what's that, barn or whatever. Yeah. Well, now we are to Cancillian. Follow the road. Look at the sky. The color of the sky. Beautiful. I'm very surprised. Without wearing helmet, I'm really comfortable of wearing helmet, but it's for safety. That's why we normally wearing our helmets. We are now going down to the river. Look at this river, amigos and amigas. It's quite a big river. You can see. Yeah. Big river. Beautiful place. Yeah, that going there to that rice. Yeah, rice institute. Another place over there. Yeah, rice institute. Looks like they are making rising rice. What I need is there some variety of like a lot rice. And look at this rice field, rice farm, rice terraces. It's dry. Yeah, some are, there's still water, but I'm sure there's enough water in this rice field here, because as what I know, they have an irrigation system here. Yeah, and that's an irrigation system right there, this side. So I think they just float the irrigation. And then look at that rice. It's like they are ready to harvest. Yeah. Yeah, some are all already harvested. Some ready to harvest. It's dark now already. Okay, so watching this video and enjoy people with me. We are riding a motorbike and I'm just using the normal phone. I don't keep out or camera. That's the normal camera. And this is the place. There's some few rice that already needs to harvest. Ready to harvest. Yeah, that's the place there, the rice. they are doing experimenting a lot of varieties of experiment rice. With the road, you know,
It was across the river.
really,
It's a bit narrow,
oh,
but it should be okay.
small bridge, I think.
Yeah, small bridge.
Uh, I never
Ah,
tried. I never tried it here, but yeah, we will see. Let's experience this bridge here that this guy are talking about. I hope it's gonna be fine. This way.
yeah.
Oh, there's oh yeah, look at that. Migas in the migas. Oh my gosh. Yeah, this is the bridge. We are crossing the river. Oh, this small bridge here. Ang gabi. Did you see that? Amigas and amigas. Wow.
Hi.
Hi. Oh, it's quite good.
Hello.
At least I experienced this crossing to the small bridge. Wow. But it was safe.
Hi.
Where
Hello.
we took this shortcut road going back to our place because I think this is the best shortcut
Hi.
road going back to
Wonderful.
our place, closer, much closer than to took the road in the main road. I mean, there's a dog there. It's quite dark now. Amigas and amigas.
Hi.
Ngayong gabi. Yeah, we're just following the road. Hello. There's a lot of banana trees here. That's a big mango
And there's a
tree.
dog on the road.
And there is a dog in the middle of the road.
Wow. Hi.
Ngayong gabi. This is the countryside life. Countryside road.
Wow. Hi.
Ngayong gabi. Let's follow this road going back to our place. Ngayong gabi.
There's a shack on this side.
Go back to the house. What's that place in there? Oh, there's a little kubo here. It's quite nice. I think it's cool. That's a cool house.
Hello.
what's this
Hi.
place sitting here? What's this place here?
Even here.
Ang
Oh.
gabi. Really? Oh, we are near, guys. We are closer to our house. There's a lot of dogs here.
Yeah, but they're not crazy dogs.
Yeah.
They're not attacking us, are they?
Looks like they used to strangers. They used to strangers. They are used to see strangers. This is the dragon fruit
Hey, look at their new
place.
plants.
Yeah. This is the dragon fruit place, amigos and amigas. Dragon fruit farm. It's a new place as far as I know. It's a big dragon fruit farm and place and property. And looks like they are still building some new barns or stock house or a house. And it says there, private property. Yeah, we're now closer to our house. Back to our house. Good thing you know this this place. You know the road here. You still remember.
I walked over there.
Oh,
I walked.
that's why you memorize very good.
I need to go on.
You memorize the road. We're now closer to our house. And it's, yeah, as you can see, quite dark now. And there's a big poop in the middle of the road. That's Carabao's crap. Carabao's cake. So we're near to the crazy dog's place. Crazy dog's place. Looks like the road is widened and it's good. Quite good. A lot better. But I hope when the rain comes, still okay, still be good, I think. Yeah, it should be okay, I think. A little bit muddy, I'm sure, but at least it's widened and it's good. Yeah, this road, amigas and amigas, are straight back to our house.
Oh, rat.
Yeah,
See the rat?
there's a big rat going across the road, going to the rice field. It's quite a good road already. So we're closer to the house where, according to my,
Frog.
yeah,
Here. This is the house.
according
here.
to my dear partner here, there's a lot of crazy dogs.
Yeah, now. Really, packs of dogs.
Oh,
Wow. Really
because he's
crazy.
been here yesterday and I
They
think
got savage.
he's just walking. He wanted to walk around, but he goes back home because of those crazy dogs
Yeah.
attacking him. So I hope. Oh, it's so very dark. Hope you guys enjoy watching this video till the very end. Thank you so much for watching. See you on our next riding video. Bye. See you.